Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be on an African brand called FESO or FESO. They did send me the products and I have been using them off camera, but today I'm going to be sharing with you two products and show you how I've been using them. The brand is all about hair growth. The owner is a tricologist, so she does have experience when it does come to hair and scalp issues. I'm going to be showing you two products that I've used from the range. The first one is the shampoo and the second one is the deep conditioner. So let's start off with the shampoo. I really like the shampoo, and something that I like about both the products in today's video is the smell and the consistency. I am someone who appreciates the experience of a product, so I absolutely love the shampoo. This is the FESO Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. I am going to put in the comments if this is Curly Girl approved or not, but this anti-dandruff shampoo has a unique refreshing formula which I agree with. It contains unusual blends of FESO extract for a clean and fresh scalp. The FESO Anti-Dandruff Shampoo loves your curls and tresses and helps reduce hair breakage. Now, I like the bottle and I'm going to open it up right now. And it comes out very easily. It's nice and watery in terms of consistency. I love the smell. It smells fresh. It smells like a holiday. I just love the smell, guys. I'm not going to pour it out, but the consistency is very watery. I don't want to waste any. But I'll just show you guys. If you can see, it comes out very nicely. I love the color. Your hair is not stripped. It leaves your hair nice and clean. Now in the video, you can't really see, but if you use this in the shower, the more water you add, it emulsifies very nicely, very quickly. In today's video, I had to use more product because I wasn't in the shower to have water on my hair. But if your hair is soaking wet, you just need to use very little. It emulsifies very nicely, leaves your hair nice and clean, and again, it doesn't strip your hair. So after washing, as I said, your hair feels nice and clean, your hair feels nice and soft. I'm not sure if I recorded the results from the shampoo. If I have, I am going to include it. If not, I can tell you my hair was not stripped, and I absolutely enjoyed the experience of using the anti-dandruff shampoo. I don't have any dandruff, but as somebody who doesn't have dandruff, knowing that I'm just taking care of my scalp and my hair is a bonus. The second product has the exact same color, a nice green color, like a minty kind of green. In terms of smell, they smell very differently, but this has a little bit of like a mint smell. It smells like a sweet that you'd eat. I can't nail the smell, but it doesn't smell bad. It actually smells very nice. So I really like the smell. The consistency again is nice and watery. If you've been following my channel, you know I like thick, creamy, deep conditioners. That is absolutely not a secret. This has a watery consistency, but I'll tell you what I like about the watery consistency. What I like is that it coats your curls or your natural hair really well, and it aids with detangling. The slip is amazing. It's absolutely crazy, the slip that you get. But you can feel it coat your strands. You can feel it just layer it so nicely. But I'm talking so much about this product. Let's read the label and let me tell you more about it. This is the FESO Argon and Mint Deep Conditioning Mask, and it contains the FESO extract plus natural oils. Very nice. It promises to relieve itching and dry scalp, deeply condition the hair and scalp, which it did, reduce frizz and enhance shine. Guys, this wash day I have right here, I've used deep conditioner. It promises to strengthen the hair and help make it long, something all of us want. It promises to soothe and heal the scalp, get rid of flakiness, stimulate some hair growth, and also soften and hydrate. So I like the experience of the application. Very different from what I actually prefer, but the application was good. Afterwards, I did put on a shower cap and I let it sit for about 45 minutes. I forgot about the time, but on here I think it says that you can leave it for 10 to 20 minutes, or you can add heat and leave it on for 12 minutes. So after about 45 minutes, I rinsed it off. It rinsed off so easily, and I think it has to do with the consistency. With creamier products, you really have to rinse it out nicely. With this, it just came out very easily with water. I used lukewarm water because it is winter in South Africa, so I enjoyed it. The results were okay. My hair wasn't stripped, it wasn't dry. It did a fairly good job. Again, these products are designed for hair growth, but I'm just sharing my first impressions experience of using the shampoo as well as the deep conditioner from this African brand. It's a wrap, guys. If you're looking for hair growth, this brand can assist you, but it does take time. I do have the other hair growth products. I did use the hair growth spray, smells amazing, but I'm doing it off camera simply because I cannot instantly tell you if the hair growth stuff works, because as I said, it does take time. But I am sharing with you the shampoo and conditioner. First impressions, I did enjoy using this brand.